In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect a Typeform to a Facebook group. This is an incredibly handy feature if you're looking to drive engagement from your surveys directly to your social media community. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Typeform and access your workspaces. If you're already logged in, you should see your available workspaces on the home page. Click on the one that contains the form you wish to edit. If you're not logged in yet, simply enter your credentials and select the appropriate workspace afterward. Once you're in the right workspace, locate the specific form you want to redirect. Clicking on your form will open up the editing interface where you can manage all aspects of your form. Take a moment to ensure you're working with the correct form, especially if you have multiple forms in that workspace. Next, in the form editor, look for the endings option. This section is particularly important because it determines what users see once they've completed your form. Click on endings to customize this final step of the user's journey. Ensuring a smooth and intentional ending is crucial. It can significantly influence a participant's experience and engagement levels. Now focus on setting up the redirection. Here you'll see an option labeled redirect to URL. This function allows you to guide participants to a specific web page immediately after they have finished with the Typeform. Click on it to proceed with setting up your desired destination URL. You'll then need to paste the URL of your Facebook group in the provided field. Copy your Facebook group's web address and paste it here to make sure that participants are directed exactly where you want them to go. Be mindful of any typos or extra spaces as these can affect the redirection process. After you've entered the URL, be sure to save your changes. You'll do this by clicking on the option to publish edits. This step is essential as it applies your changes and ensures that the redirection feature works correctly. Double check to make sure all changes have been saved properly before moving on. Now that your Typeform is configured to redirect, you're all set to share it. Find the option to share your Typeform code, which will give you a link or embed code that you can distribute. Use this link to invite participants to fill out your form and join your Facebook group post-completion. By providing clear calls to action in your form, you can significantly increase engagement with your group. And there you have it, a simple guide to redirecting your Typeform users to your Facebook group. With these steps, you can foster a seamless connection from your form to your community space, enriching user interaction and boosting engagement. Happy redirecting, and thanks for watching.